And we begin our journey to Lord and our Savior, Jesus Christ, in 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome, you big bloody beautiful legend. I know it's been a while since I've had a personal podcast on. I know y'all miss me. I know y'all miss me because you know why? Because I know that deep down in your heart you have this one thing going on. That भाई करण जब बकचोदी करेगा लाइफ सुखी रहेगी. समझ रहा है? Because you know what I've realized, this fucking I think this is true. I think I make people feel smart by talking such garbage. So y'all are like, हाँ मतलब चल यार, like people who went to school with me, people who like hang out with me in general, feel like यार मतलब जो भी हो जाए इधर तो नहीं है. At least you're not on this side of the camera, right? This side of the screen. I get it. And I also fucking feel like that sometimes. It's fine though. It's alright. It's completely fine. But fucking this wild shit happened today. I had to mention this. uh, my mom goes to this gym which is in the span of I think 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. is only ladies, okay. And but before that, before 8 a.m., like I want to start working out at like 7 o'clock, 7 to 8, 1 hour quick workout, right? And that time the like illegally they had opened up 2 weeks before, and we had no clue, what was going to happen with the lockdown. So my mom was like, yeah, you can go here. So I was like, cool. Like, I was like, can I also go? So she's like, no, there are Muslim women. I was like, yo, that. I was like, dude, one second. What'd you say? She's like, yeah, there are Muslim women there. I was like, what's Muslim? Why'd you use the word? Why'd you say Muslim like that? Like, fuck. I was like, my mom's a piece of shit. Like, that's not okay. You can't say it. Like, it's not. Saying that women are there, okay, I understand, like, maybe that's why I shouldn't go, but like it's an all women's gym, whatever. But she was like, Muslim women. I was like, okay, that doesn't sound all that nice. Because, like, why'd you say it like that? So, like, no, like, Muslim women don't, like, they work out there in their own space, right? So they don't, like, have rules of you don't necessarily have to wear your hijab or burqa, everything, right? Like, so all women, hence you can be like, you can be in your workout clothes without having to worry about, the religious practice of other men not seeing you and all. And after she told me that, I was like, oh fuck, thank God, bro. I was like, dude, this was gonna be. I was like, ah, fuck, now I have to have a conversation with her about how it's not okay to do like shit like this. Even with my dad, I have a friend who's gay. I mean, I was gonna say prefers individuals of the same sex. That just sounds like that sounds more classy than gay. Like gay is cool. Like gay is like, yeah, bro, I'm gay. Like whatever. But if you say I prefer the individuals of the same sex, लाइक सामने वाला सोचता है ये भाई ये मतलब क्वीन एलिजाबेथ का डिसेंडेंट तो नहीं है, मतलब ऐसा ऐसा क्या बात कर रहा है. बट मूविंग ऑन, या. So one of my friend, he's gay, and like I know of him, and he'd come to my house. We were all hanging out, like a bunch of friends and all. And my dad and I, we were talking about like drugs and everything. Like, not okay. Let me give you some context. I was going out the other night, and my dad was like, "Dude, I get worried about you. You go out at night and you come back at like 4 and all. Like, you must be out, and let's say like 10 people are smoking weed in front of you. Like, you're also probably going to do some weed." I was like, okay, firstly, what makes you think I'm not in that position already? Like, not right now as we speak, and the place I am going to is not going to be like that. But what makes you think that I've not been in a position where there are 10 dudes, like 10 people smoking pot, and I'm not around them? I don't smoke weed. It makes me lazy. Like, I have nothing against it in particular. No, like, oh, it's bad for you and all. It's just, it makes me too lazy, and I'm too hyper in life. So if I get too lazy, I start getting anxious that like shit, I'm not doing shit. So yeah, whatever. That's a separate conversation. So we were talking about drugs, and he told me that he saw one that friend come, and my friend was there, and he was like, bro, I thought there was something wrong with this guy. And I was like, wait, like one sec, fuck. Okay, my bad. I thought somebody came in. Huh. He was like, there's something up with this guy and all. And I was like, one second, like, dude. What? I was like, fuck, there's another conversation coming up, because yeah, I thought he's going to say there's something wrong with him and he's gay. And I was like, Dad, there's nothing wrong with him. He's gay. Like, there's nothing like bad about it. Like, huh, that's okay. I was talking about his eyes. He looks like he did some coke and came. I was like, oh, fuck. I was like, I am okay with my dad thinking my friends are drug addicts when they're not. Like, that's okay. But if he started to say stuff like, like, oh, he's gay and oh fuck, I was like, dad, dude, don't. I have to have a conversation with him about homophobic behavior and homophobia in general and progressive society. I was like, fuck, I can't, bro. I can't be like, I don't know, but somewhere I would be embarrassed to say that my parents were not okay with homosexuality. I'm not gay, I'm 100% straight, but like, I have friends who are like bi or gay or like lesbian, whatever, right? And like, I always think that fuck, dude, it's gonna be a conversation with my parents if they say, oh, it's not okay, it's not, homosexuality is not okay, like it's against this thing, whatever. But fortunately, they're pretty chill about it. To the extent, there was one day in, like, I think in the 11th or the 12th grade, I remember this conversation with my mom. Um, my brother had a girlfriend at that time, but he never told anybody. So my mom used to be like, bro, is it a girl or a guy? She's never seen the girl, like nothing, no idea, right? But he keeps going out. So, like, whatever, right? And she goes like, she asked me, so does he have a girlfriend? I was like, I don't know, bro. Don't ask me. I'm not involved in all of this. I'm not ratting him out like that. So she's like, boyfriend? Like, does he have a boyfriend? I was like, no, I don't think so. That shouldn't be a problem. And she was like, yeah, it's not a problem, but actually, if both of you all were gay, I would actually be okay with it only. Like, she was like, my jewelry doesn't go anywhere. Two, like, her in her head, man of the house. She's like, four men in the house. Like, nothing. Life is good. Like, no sacrifice on kids and everything. No fucking job issues. No, not one person is sitting at home, other is working. None of those conversations. I get to keep my stuff. I don't think I'd have like the bahu problems. She was like, okay. I was like, okay, for your personal satisfaction, I am not going to turn gay. That is like, you can't, like, I don't want. Fuck, man, it's amazing, bro. Like, as much as I have arguments with them, they're quite relaxed. At least, I mean, I'm sure they have issues with whatever I do in life, but at least they're not like, they're not backward, which is good. I have female friends who come and stay over, and I'm very respectful of their space. Like, they sleep in another room if they're like, they're staying over and all. Like, it's my personal this thing. Like, I don't know, I sleep in boxers and all, and it's not, I don't know, like, I'm not comfortable. So I sleep in another room. Like, my brother and I share a room then. But yeah, so what was I saying? Fuck, I forgot. Uh, shit, मैं भूल गया, bro. I was just saying, yeah. So then they're very much okay. Like, even if my female friends stay over, now they've gotten used to them. They know them, so they're okay with it. That, okay, it's not shady shit. They're just friends. I was like, chalo, that's at least, like, at least I don't have to have conversations with them about all of this. Like, if I'm going to a friend's house and she's a girl in general, they're not gonna be like, oh, this is not okay. But whatever, fuck. Also, there is an announcement. I'm changing the name of the podcast to the Karan Kapadia Show because I'm a fucking narcissist. No, I'm not. Maybe, whatever. Point being, I'm changing the name of the show from Laid Back Leisure to Karan Kapadia Show because I want some guests who are experts in their field and bringing them onto a show that is called Laid Back Leisure, which was the original idea and which will continue, by the way. I know at this point a lot of people don't really care as long as I'm doing this, which is having nice chill conversations. For the most part, I'm assuming that is what people enjoy. Like, even if it's not like all funny or like all intense, it's a good conversation, right? But yeah, I'm changing the name. It's going to be called the Karan Kapadia Show. I'm going to have guests on the show who are experts in their field, but shit talk will continue. It's just going to be under the Karan Kapadia Show, obviously. And I'm also changing the show's name for one very, very important reason, is because I give a shit about my name way too much. I need it to be in this. But also, bro, like, as much as I love the idea of Laid Back Leisure, now in hindsight, a year later, like around this time last year, I started my podcast. I'll go and check when is it. Like, May end-ish, I started my podcast. And like exactly last year, I was like, fuck, what a name, bro. And like, now that I think of it, although it's nice, like, and I believe in myself and all that, whatever, like, I'm not doubting myself and everything, but I feel like thoda, matlab, I don't want to use the word lame, but it's a little too casual. Like it doesn't have that oomph. You get it? Which was the point? Which was the point that I was going to talk about absolute garbage, and which I am very much doing, right? But yeah, that's the idea. I'm gonna change the name. So I hope, I don't know how many, like 20, 30 of y'all watching. Hope y'all support that concept. And if y'all have any, if y'all have, I don't know, it's been 10 minutes. Usually y'all listen for like 8, 9 minutes, because at this point the podcast starts getting mellow, right? Like I start talking about mellow shit. But if there are some particular guests or topics, see, I fucking love having conversations with people about everything. Like I could talk all the way from Nat Geo stuff, animal stuff, like Animal Kingdom, Insect World, whatever, all the way to cryptocurrency, to economy, to deep space and everything, right? I love it. I love it all. I love knowing shit that I don't know. And I'm sure there are topics that you all love, which you all have really like been enjoying since a very long time. Suggest some names and suggest some people and suggest some topics. I'll try and do my level best to find people who are like top level elite in their field. So yeah, on that note, I know it's not that long a podcast. It's more of like just a quick one, but it's a quickie. But we all love quickies, don't we? Jokes. देखिए यार ब्रो, मतलब जोक मारना है तो अच्छा मारना पड़ेगा, समझ रहा है? बट पॉइंट बीइंग, if I've made it this far, I appreciate you being here, and I appreciate you watching my podcast or listening to my podcast. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.